you have to be in complete alignment with what you're teaching and your marketing being the newest version of you and constantly evolving that. And that's where people get comfortable, right? They'll do the same content and they're recycling, it just stops working and they wonder why. And it's not the tools, it's not the strategies, because you're a different person, hopefully, right? You're a different person than you were when you created that content 6 months ago, right? And as far as, so that's one side of the answer that I'm going to give you. The other is, I've always told people, too many people think of marketing as a way to trick somebody into something, right? Like, we just get the perfect hooks, the perfect positioning, the perfect copy, the perfect landing page, the perfect registration page, whatever the perfect post. Then we're somehow going to get people to sign up for consults and buy from us, right? And that tends to fall flat because that's actually, none of those things actually serve people. And I believe purpose is connecting to serving yourself and serving other people, right? Yourself and your evolution, and in the process serving other people, right? Which sharing value in your content, but actual value, actual transformation.